Advanced Cardiovascular Solutions India 2013 conference is being held by FACS Foundation in collaboration with TCT, CRF, Cardiovascular Research Foundation of USA. The beauty of this conference is a demonstration of newer techniques which are very relevant in day-to-day cardiology practice. The patients which are not being treated before, we are able to handle them, treat them non-surgery, without surgery, by percutaneous procedures. All such new technology demonstrations, new procedures will be done live, shown live from the various centers across the country and also from some international centers like Antonio Colombo, Italy. The newer procedures which have come up has done a lot of good to the patients, and then the surgery could be avoided and then patients could do well. And in the pre-conference workshop today, we conduct intravascular ultrasound course, the first of its kind in the country, to highlight some of the imaging techniques called intravascular ultrasound and OCT. This is again done with Gary Mids as the lead director for this course. He is an expert in the field of imaging in coronaries. And apart from this, we also started this year to showcase on the new procedures for patients who suffer with brain attacks, what is called a stroke or paralysis, and also some of these disorders which veins get clotted, veins get dilated in the legs, and these are covered. And today we have a fellows course which takes care of all the training young budding cardiologists, and the clinical case discussions and interesting case scenarios will be discussed in those aspects. Apart from this, we also have started a session called Basic Cardiovascular Solutions in partnership with the Journal of Association of Physicians of India. That is to stress on the preventive aspects of cardiology, how to control diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, and how to prevent the occurrence of heart attacks, to prevent this rising epidemic of coronary artery disease in our country. The junior doctors, it's a lot beneficial because the fellows course, training course, we also have hands-on sessions where we make them practice on simulators, what we call, before they go on to real patients. We are very happy to inform you that this year response have been very good. The fourth year we have been doing, we already have about 1680 registrations which have come across not only from India but from some of the other countries like Burma, China, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Jakarta, Cambodia, so on and so forth. And the number is likely to go up more. And we are very thankful to all the industry colleagues and pharma and device for making this possible. Every year we tend to get some new procedures, new techniques. That's how the learning new things is important. What was there 4 years back becomes obsolete now, and some new procedures are demonstrated. So every year we need to update ourselves. That's the idea of having the conference repeatedly every year.